Alright, cool. So, I guess I already did half a chill hack. I don't really remember ever doing half a chill hack, but I guess we did at some point. So, I guess I'm going to do the other half of it? I don't know. What I do know is that I can hear myself. From where, though? Alright, cool. Alright. Let's, CD in desktop, try hack me. We'll make a directory for chill hack. We'll CD into there. Let's see what this is all about. See if we can get this guy going. I'm doing good. How you doing? Just a guy. Let's go and mmap this guy. Let's go and start off with an mmap scan. We'll, as usual, tomorrow we'll be streaming all of the, my plan is to stream all of the CyberSec Lab Windows boxes. You can start with the beginner ones. Well, I'm going to stream like the beginner ones or whatever. It's like 13 or something like that of them. And then, depending on how long that takes, move on to AD. I guess if it's less than 24 hours later, then we'll move on to AD. This guy doesn't seem to want to be pinged. I'm on try hack me, right? Yeah, I'm on try hack me. Okay. Can we ping this guy? Is he started up yet? Does it actually work? Do we have to reset him? Let's see, he's been going for 7 minutes now. Rust scan? Okay. Are we actually on try hack me's thing? Let's try again. Seems like we are. Looks like we are. We have 2 tunnels up for some reason. Let's go ahead and do this. Then we'll stop that. Stop this up here. Unplug our cable. We should lose our tunnels once you unplug our cable. Oh, 3 more hours to vacation. That's nice. Let's do a system CTL. Restart. Like network manager. Maybe network service. I don't know. Let's try that. I shouldn't have. There should be no tunnels up. There's no cable plugged in, so I don't know how there's a tunnel up still. Nothing actually plugged in like right now. It's kind of amazing that there's actually a tunnel up. That's back up again. How do you take down a tunnel? Sudo VPN disconnect. Okay, let's try that. See if they'll actually take down the tunnel interface. Would it be like OpenVPN? Sudo kill all. Kill all OpenVPN. Then it gave me an error. And it got rid of the tunnel, so we did that. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and try to get back on. Alright, let's see if we do, okay, so now we just have a regular tunnel. There we go. We just have 1 tunnel again. Let's go ahead and try. There we go. Let's go! Crushed it. Crushed that problem. Alright, let's go ahead and do a nmap tac P21. Not on that, I guess. That was incorrect. Alright, cool. And let's also go ahead and do a nmap on port 80. Let me go and fix something real quick, because I noticed that was kind of annoying whenever the videos were up. That's like the words come up at. It's kind of a weird spot. So I'm going to fix that like real quick. Chat box. Unlock. Down. Lock. Okay. There we go. All right, cool. We're getting somewhere. So it looks like we do have anonymous login. Let's go ahead and go there first. We'll do a FTP into there, and we'll do anonymous. And ls-la, and we have a note.txt. So we'll get that note.txt. We'll exit off here, and let's go ahead and cat note.txt. Andro told me that there is some filtering on strings put in the command by apar. So we got two usernames, I think. Let's go do a echo ANURODH into users.txt. And then we'll do an echo APAR into users.txt. I'm going to grab those two. We'll throw those two into users.txt for now. And let's go ahead and check out that port 80. Let's also start up a Ferox Buster, whatever you want to call it. There we go. We're going to start that up and we'll see if we get anything in that. Let's start looking on the site like a little bit. We have a search. Can we actually search for stuff? No, it doesn't do anything. About. Let's go to about.html, team.html, news.html, match. Blog and contact. Those are all going to pound sign. Those aren't going anywhere. We got login, pound sign, register, pound sign. So none of those go anywhere. So nothing on there so far is going anywhere really. It's just going to see what this about is. We'll go from here. Someone famous, okay. Demo@gmail.com. There's probably not going to be anything with the site or whatever else. See what team says. See if we get some more usernames maybe. Look at secret. There's a /secret here. Go ahead and look at that like real quick. What else do we have? Secret images. Quite a few things going on so far. A pretty big website. Secret. We got commands. We have commands that work. Okay, that didn't work. Well, just ls. I wonder if they're actually looking at like different symbols, like attack, or what they're actually looking at here. Let's see here. Let's do an ls. Let's see if that works. Nope. Okay, so they're actually looking at commands here. Can we do like a cat? Cat config.php or something like that? Cat config.html, anything like that? I don't know. Can't really look to see what's inside this directory here, so. What's up, Aaron? How you doing? Okay, so we can't do a cat, okay. We do a less. I feel like we're in the right spot. We stop beating this guy up for now. Okay, we can't do a less. Can we do a more? Okay, can we do find? Because we can do stuff with find. Yes, we can. Alright, cool. So we can do stuff with find. Can we do find cat index.php? Find user bin cat index.php? Okay, that kind of worked. So we can throw find in front. So can we do like a find user bin bash? We didn't get anything back saying we couldn't do that. So couldn't we just cat scripts netcat reverse shell? Can we just find this? We'll do a 10, 13, 26.184. We'll do a netcat LVMP 4242, and that cat should be user bin, I think. So we'll do a, let's try just to find first, and we'll just try to throw that in there, see what happens. We'll execute that for now. Okay, didn't like that at all. Let's do a find user bin netcat. Execute that. No, he didn't like that at all either. Maybe because, let's go ahead and do a all of that with /user bin netcat, like that. We execute that. I'll refine that. No, okay, doesn't like that. Well, I also have my listener up and running. What about a Python 1? Let's go ahead and look up Python 3 one-liner here. Let's go in cat scripts reverse Python .text. We'll see. I don't know which one's actually going to work for Python 3. That'll be 10, 13, 26, 24. I'm going to try it on here first to see if it works for Python 3. Yes, it does. Okay, so we did get a callback there. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and do a find user bin Python 3. Maybe something like that. Find user bin Python 3. Okay. 10, 13, 26, 184, 4242. So it went to it. I feel like we should have caught that. Let's try it one more time. Find user bin Python 3, right? 13, 26, 184. Okay, what about just typing in the whole damn thing then? Okay, what about find that? Okay, this is really weird. Now it's not taking the command anymore. Find user bin Python 3 10, 13, 26, 184 port 4242. Why is it not taking that anymore? Find /user bin. Okay, that's super weird. Alright. So I'm pretty sure that's how we're going to do it. I'm pretty sure we're going to be doing something with find and then throw in other stuff with it. You know? I'm just wondering, like, maybe I'm probably not executing the correct command here. Let's go ahead and cat. Python 3. Pretty sure we gotta do something like execute or whatever else, something like that. So let's go ahead and look up a Python 3 reverse shell one-liner. Let's go ahead and try something in here. Python 3. I'm pretty sure we need something with that, like execute or whatever else. Let's try Python. Try pinging myself? Oh, I know I can ping myself and everything like that. I can definitely do that. That's going to be easy. Here. Or not netstat. What do I want to do? TCP dump, right? The tech I. It can reach back to me. It's just because I feel like it's because I need to put that execute command within it. Within that Python reverse shell like right there. That's kind of what I'm thinking. there should be like a Python. I forget what how the hell it goes, but it should be like execute or something like that. It might just actually just be like. Let me see here. Python 3, is it just going to be, what is it, tac execute? Like that? I think it should just be like that. Let's go and try that. And we'll throw this back up here. Got my reverse shell listing. Let's go and execute that. Oh, I didn't do a find. Find / user bin Python 3. Okay, that should have worked like right there because we're trying to execute it, right? So I feel like that should work like right there if we're executing it. Okay, let's keep looking at this thing. Bin bash. Do we need like a what is it, like an interactive shell at the end? Maybe something like that, where we gotta do like a tac I or something. Something like that. See if we can get that guy. Nope. Huh. Let's make sure of this. Okay, it does exist. He does not. Okay, cool. So we know that Python 3 exists. We know we can reach back to ourselves like right now. So now we just need a Python 3 tac exec tac I or tac C one liner. It's for Windows. This could always change it out to bin bash, right? Huh. Okay. We can figure this out. Semicolon after find. No, we tried to do a semicolon after find. It didn't like that at all. Whenever we did something like that, it didn't like that. But I'm thinking maybe a semicolon at the end of this guy. At the end of this whole thing, like right here. I want to do this. Something like that. I'm thinking. I'm thinking it's not like ending the statement. Whoops. Oh! So it almost got that time. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Let's try it one more time. Just go with bin bash instead of user bin bash. Wow. What is this? We're getting there. It's calling back to us at least. It's immediately dropping. Oof, that one didn't work at all. That was weird. That one did not work at all. That was really weird. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, Samuel Hogg. Thank you very much. Why'd you hate it? Let's try it one more time, because user bin Python 3. Okay, so it's definitely something with the very end there, what we put on. So we should... Now I am confused. Should just be something like that at the very end, right? And that should be it. There's no chill. It can't be that bad. User bin Python 3. It's getting the callback, but it's dropping it. Why is it dropping it once it gets the callback? What are we doing incorrectly? Let's go for this one. Let's do 4242. Let's try it without that slash at the end there first. This one's good doing sub process and everything like that, so let's try this guy like right here. Okay, so that did not work. Let's try this again. Whoa. That's one way to do it. Oh, I gotta do the execute and everything, huh? Whoopsie daisy. There we go. So you're like, it's not even executing anymore. We're pretty close to the same payload. Alright, let's try this. Grab your popcorn. I'll find out why you hate it. Okay. Let's see. Well, we got a shell back. Let's go! Alright, cool. Let's go ahead and cat script full shell. We know that Python 3 is on here, right? So let's go ahead and throw Python 3 into it. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a get a full shell going here. STTY tag A. STTY raw echo foreground. Export term equals x term, like that, right? Yep. STTY rows is 20 and columns is going to be 85. Alright, cool. I'm going to go ahead and take this one like right here. I'm doing echo into echo that guy. That's not going to work, is it? Nano scripts why are the scripts working? Nano rev python 3.txt. Okay, then we'll CD back into desktop try hack me chill hack. All right, so we've gotten this far, right? Cool. Let's go into CD into slash home. Stack LA. Let's go into a sudo tac L. See if we can run sudo on here. Probably not. Oh, we can. Okay, cool. So we can run no password for a par under helpline.sh. Okay. Weird. So let's go ahead and CD into home a par. Okay, there's our local.txt. Cool. CD.sh. We can read that. we just have authorized keys like right there. Can we read anywhere else in this guy's in this other people's stuff? Okay, so the only place that we can actually read is a par also. So we're going to CD in and back into a par. Okay. Execute. To execute something. Telling it to execute nothing and then go ahead and run the rest of this command. As far as what I understand from that. Alright. Let's go ahead and do a cat.helpline. We can read it and we can execute that guy, but we can't do anything else with him. So we can't like overwrite it. Can we remove it? No. So we can't overwrite it. We can't, what is it? So we can't overwrite it. We can't delete it. We can't run anything to it. So we're kind of just, there's kind of nothing that we can do with that guy like right there. Let's go ahead and cat scripts. Why is this so, why is that not working anywhere? What is going on with this thing? I'm going to exit out of this one. Cat scripts. There we go. SUID lookup. It was being super weird. It wasn't letting me like tab. Can you try and escape the quotes with your input? What do you mean? Okay, nothing in there. CD to /temp. Okay, nothing in CD in the var backups. And also cat /etc cron tab while we're in here. Before I forget. Nothing in there. Var backups. Nothing in here. Okay. Let's go ahead and do a. Let's go ahead and CD into tools. And let's go ahead and do a Python 3 TAC-M HTTP server on port 80. And we'll do a CD into temp. And we'll go ahead and do a wget HTTP 10.13.26.184/linpiece.sh. And we'll go ahead and do a change mode plus X for that. Now let's go ahead and run linpiece. Oh, within the within the find thing over here, the command thing over here, I tried to escape characters in the very beginning. I tried to do a couple things at the very beginning, but nothing was working. I tried to do that one, like just put a semicolon in. I didn't try a pipe, but I'm pretty sure a semicolon didn't work, and the other one wouldn't. Was found a user bin CTR, maybe we'll escalate privileges with it. There's a couple things in here so far. It looks like. We got this var www files. That's the first one. Look in the dark, you will find your answer. What's this guy's IP address? CD into desktop, try hackney chill hack. Okay. Oh God. Zip to John. Backup.zip. Going to John.backup.zip. Then we'll do a John.backup.zip. Wordless. Go to equal user share wordless rocket.txt. Okay. Unzip. Backup.zip. Password 1. Cat source code. We got a couple users on here, right? Welcome and Nudro. Welcome and Nudro, okay. So let's go ahead and do a echo that guy into base 64. I don't know my password. Hate to see it. SSH into ANURODH at the IP address 10.10.120.191. Is that going to work? Yes, it does. Okay. Let's go and get out of here. So we got a password now. So let's go ahead and do a nano user pass.txt. ANURODH. Okay. Go and do a sudo tac L. All passwords. So we can also run home a park, but can you actually mess with it? That's still the source code that he has, like right there. Go ahead and cd into /home. Cd into a par again, because he can look at a par also. Everyone seems to be able to look at a par. And he can also execute it, but he can't do anything else with it. We can also look in the .ssh file, but we couldn't do anything like that with that before, right? Let's go ahead and cd into temp, because we already have limpies in there, right? Let's go ahead and run limpies. Oh! We're in a Docker. Okay, that's all right. Let's go ahead and throw limpies at it again then, and see if we can get out of this Docker somehow. It's horrible when you're looking for it, when you go to find a file that was there before and now it's not. /limpies.sh. You're right, this is not a chill hack. What's your group? What do you mean? Or is that for just a guy? Oh, I already read. Okay. Docker. Saying that Docker is 100% most likely going to get us there. So let's do a GTF phobins for Docker. And we have the SUID bit for it, I think. And this one's working for Alpine. Let's make sure, because remember that one time we were working on Docker and we could not get it? Let's do Docker images first. And see. Okay, so we are working on Alpine. Alright. Because that'll tell if it's a bunch or Alpine. There's that one time we were running Dockers and we just could not get it, I remember. Let's go ahead and try that. CD into user bin, I guess. I would take it. Docker in there. And we're root. Alright. We did it. Yay! We did it. That wasn't too bad, just a guy. Alpine is just an image of a Docker. That's all Alpine is. There's one. Let me see here.